I have switched to a custom night mode in which the dancing lights problem is eliminated. So this is 1/200th of a second, and in case you have a brightly lit street, that is the one which you are seeing, you can go into this mode. 1/200th of a second ensures that there is absolutely no dancing lights at all. The light movement is smooth. If it is little dark, like a little bit ahead, it's going to be a little bit dark. So in that scenario, you can switch to 1/100th of a second. There is a very slight dancing lights effect, very very slight. You won't be able to notice it until unless you are looking at it very, intensely. So that dancing light effect is acceptable, and in the bargain, you are going to get more light. It's 1/100th of a second now. If you look closely, you will find there's some amount of dancing light effect, but it is now a little bit brighter because of the shutter opening up for a little longer time. So whenever you are in a dark place, you can move to 1/100th of a second. Otherwise, if there is sufficient street light, go for 1/200. I'll give a link to the settings of my blog in the description so that you can use these custom settings and get your own stable footage. The problem is that if you use a normal regular setting, these lights start bouncing, and they are called as the bouncing effect. Let me show it to you.